Okay, welcome back to Mathematics by Just Academy. I'm excited. We have a very interesting question, radical equation, to solve today. So without further ado, let's go straight to business. If you look at this equation, you may be thinking, what do I do? It's a very simple equation. All you need to do is to look at it well. First of all, notice that the radical sign, we have a radical sign that is covering the entire up, the numerator, and we have a radical sign that is covering the entire down. So that makes it easy to simplify. So we can just go straight and cross multiply. We'll go straight, we'll cross multiply. So if we do that, we are going to arrive at root. You know, 3 times this. Maybe I start with this one. Or let's start with the up one. This here times 1. There is a 1 under 3. This 3 over 1. The same thing as 3. Will give all the same thing. 1 times any value will give you the same value. It's equals to 3 will times this now. So you have root s minus root x. So the next step now is to square both sides so that we can do away with this square root and this square root. So if we do that, we'll have root s plus root x square equals to 3 root s minus root s square. So what that means is that this one will cancel, this square will cancel this square root. So we are left with s plus root x is equals to 3 square is what? 9 times s minus root x. So what do we do? Simple. Let's open the bracket, then we collect the ones that has roots to one side. So we have x plus root x is equals to 9s minus 9 root x. So with that, we can now collect like terms. We have that root x. When this minus 9s come to this side, come plus 9 root x, which will give us equals to 9s minus x. When this one come here, become minus s. So of course, you see that this is 1 root s plus 9 root s. That will give us 10 root s. So we have 10 root x is equals to what? 8x. So once again, we square both sides again so that we can do away with this square, this radical sign. We have 10 root x square is equals to 8s square. What does that imply? It implies that this will give us 100. 10 square is 100. Root s times root s will give us x is equals to what? This will give us 64x square. Are you getting it now? Now, there are other ways you can solve it from here. But since this is a quadratic function, there is raised to the power of 2. You are expected to get 2 answers. So it's better we move this one here so that we'll get, or we bring 100 this side. We'll have 64x square minus 100x is equals to 0. Still the same thing. What is common here? 4x can come out. If 4s comes out, what will remain? 16s minus 25 will remain here, equals to 0. What does that mean? It means that 4s is equals to 0, or 16s minus 25 is equals to 0. So what does that imply? S is equals to 0, or s is equals to what? Minus 25 come here, have plus 25 over what? 16. Are you getting it now? But is 0 and 25 over 16 the solution? You have to check. You check solution. Check solution. Very important. If you put 0 here, put 0 here, put 0 here, put 0 here, can you get 3? No. 0 is not a solution to this equation. If you put 25 over 16 into these values here, you are going to get 3. So therefore, we conclude that S is equals to what? 25 over 16. That is the only valid value of x with respect to this equation, 25 over 16. This is the only valid value. 0 will not be valid because 0 cannot make this equation true. When you put 0 here, the two sides cannot be 3. But if you substitute 25 over 16, the two sides will give you what? 3. Thank you for watching. See you in our next class. Remember to share this video.